In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a color-coded drop-down list in Excel. We'll walk through the full process step by step, from setting up your list to automatically changing cell colors based on what you select. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional-looking drop-down that's easy to reuse in any spreadsheet. First, start by creating the list of options you want to appear in your drop-down. It's best to place these items in a separate, clearly labeled area of your sheet, or even on a dedicated tab. For example, you might list options like high, medium, and low priority in a single column. Keeping them in their own range makes it much easier to manage and update later. Next, select the cells where you want the drop-down to appear. This could be a single cell or an entire column. With those cells highlighted, go to the Data tab on the Excel ribbon. Then click on Data Validation. In the dialog box that opens, change the Allow setting to List. In the Source field, either select the range containing your list with your mouse, or type the range reference directly. Make sure In-Cell Dropdown is checked, then click OK. You should now see a small arrow in your selected cells, and when you click it, your list options will appear. Now let's add the color coding using conditional formatting. With the same drop-down cells still selected, go to the Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting, then choose New Rule. Select the option that lets you format only cells that contain specific text or values. For each list item, you'll create a separate rule. For example, set a rule that applies when the cell value is equal to high, then click Format and choose a fill color, such as red. Confirm your choice and save the rule. Repeat this process for each remaining option in your list. Maybe medium gets an orange fill, and low gets green. Each rule should match one drop-down value and apply the color you want. When you're done, test it out by clicking your drop-down and selecting different items. The cell background should automatically change to the corresponding color. If you plan to use this in multiple places, consider turning your range into a table or naming your list range so it's easier to reference and update. That way, whenever you add or change list items, your drop-down and color coding stay consistent across your workbook. And that's it. You've created a color-coded drop-down list in Excel that's both functional and visually clear.